So I wasn't expecting, I mean, yeah, I was kind of expecting, but I'm just speechless right now. I am going to be unboxing in this video the most expensive product I have ever unboxed, the most expensive product I have ever purchased and owned, a MacBook Pro 15-inch Retina with Touch Bar. And you guys might be wondering, just why I bought this. So the story is that, also, I'm so sorry about the autofocus. I can see it going crazy right there. The camera's a little bit too far away from me in this video, and I can't manually control it, so I apologize. This is the MacBook Pro 15-inch, the 2018 i9, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 TB storage, and this is a massive upgrade from my current computer. So not many of you probably know this, but right now my main editing machine is a mid-2012 MacBook Pro non-Retina, the one that came with a CD drive with a upgraded SSD and 16 gigs of RAM. So it's only a dual-core Core-to-Duo machine. It does not, I'm sorry, no, it is an i5, so not a Core-to-Duo, it is an i5. It doesn't have a dedicated graphics card, and honestly, it's just been showing its weakness lately. As I ramp up video, the quality, animations, all that stuff, it's just been, it's really difficult to edit videos on something that's not really meant to edit videos. Regardless, I've been contemplating the purchase of a new editing machine for a while. I just thought, let me use this until it runs into the ground, and then I'll consider something. And that's kind of what's been happening recently. My current MacBook, every time I export a video on Final Cut, I use Final Cut Pro to edit my videos. What happens is it'll export like 40-50% of the video, and it'll crash. It'll fail. And then what I have to do is I have to completely close down the computer, close all applications, restart it, and then export from the beginning again. And then, not every time, but most of the time, that's when it would export. And a 15-20 minute video can sometimes take up to an hour to export. So it's just not been that easy to work with a computer when you're uploading videos every other day, like 3 times a week. So the one thing I finally decided was I needed to upgrade my computer. Now, I thought that, I needed something portable. And when it came down to it, the MacBook Pro 13 and 15, I decided to go with the 15 because it has the dedicated graphics. Now, the dedicated graphics card and everything is cool, but now the price is pretty high. And then you're wondering why I went for the maxed out version, and the simple answer is, I knew I wanted more than 16 gigs. I wanted either 16 or more than 16 gigs of RAM. 16 was standard. And then I thought, right now my current machine uses 16. Might as well get 32, future-proof it, because I am going to be using this machine for the next couple of years, no doubt about it. And then the next question in my mind was, right now I have 500 gigs. While it's manageable, every couple of weeks I do have the problem of having to, completely go through all of my files, get rid of a lot of things, move them to different hard drives and everything, external hard drives to kind of manage storage, and that's what it's been. So I went with the highest model there is. I didn't get the 4 TB storage, but everything else is maxed out. So it has the i9 6-core processor, it has 1 terabyte of SSD storage, and it has 32 gigs of RAM. So this machine cost $4,000. Yeah, $4,000. And oh man, this gave me sleepless nights. I'm not telling you. Even before I got it, ever since the contemplation of getting a new MacBook, it's just been, do I get it? Do I not? Do I get it? Do I not? But then I kind of just decided I'm going to be using it for a long time. It's really new. It was just updated, refreshed, so I don't have to worry about a new one coming out for the next couple of months at least. And I was just like, let's do this. It's time. So I finally bought it, the MacBook Pro 15-inch. So I'm sorry to give you that long story, but let's get right to unboxing it. So on the front, MacBook Pro, the Touch Bar, everything. At the top here, MacBook Pro, Apple, MacBook Pro. On the back, you just got your information here about the computer itself, the serial number, all that. And I'm going to flip it over and tear off the plastic. I can't believe I'm about to do this. I promise to you guys, I'm not exaggerating. This is a huge purchase for me. I mean, so yeah. Just give me a second here. there we go. The cut has been made. All right, so I'm gonna flip the box over and I'm gonna lift it out of here. Oh man, here it is. So I didn't mention it, but I did go for the space gray. Obviously have to go for space gray, you can't go for anything else. So in usual fashion of Apple, there is the pull tab, so I'm gonna pull it right out of here. Oh man, I cannot believe this is mine. It's so thin. It is heavy, it is big, but it's thin. USB-Cs all around. All right, and I'm gonna put this to the side for one quick second. And here is Apple warranty information, stickers, blah blah. And the biggest change for this MacBook overall, which was, you know, just getting the, now all 4 USB, so charging happens through USB as well with this power adapter. It is a 87 watt USB-C C2C power adapter. So it is a very high power charger, and it should charge up this MacBook really quickly. Not much in the box, to be honest. That's it. You just get your charger, you get your cable, USB-C to C, you get the warranty information and the Apple stickers, and the computer itself. So, I mean, not a very exciting unboxing to say, but for me, it was just a personal revelation here. I kind of want to share this moment with all of you guys, and, you know, it's just such an amazing device. And, all right, I'm going to tear off the plastic here. All right, it's out. The space gray looks so good. So this is not my first space gray machine. I do have a 2016 MacBook that I bought used a couple months ago. That was space gray as well. So showing it off to you guys. I mean, it's nothing new that you haven't seen already. I'm not going to waste too much time, but I'm just going to open this up towards you guys, because I know what's going to happen once you open it up. It's going to boot up with the Apple logo. There is going to be that traditional Apple paper on the display. I'm going to move it over. There we go. Boot up. Yay. All right. Man, my voice is getting all high-pitched and everything. I am just truly, truly excited. I'm going to move this towards me. Oh, that trackpad is huge. Love it. So, let's just see. I'm sorry for the reflection. All right. It's asking me to set up. So, what I'm going to do is, guys, I am going to spend some time with this. I am way too excited. Wow. All right. Now, I'm just going to close you for a minute over here. So, I am just way too excited right now. I just want to finish up this video and set this up and kind of get to know it. So, none of this wouldn't be possible without you guys. I mean, it doesn't all help pay for it, but this channel has definitely been the reason why I've been able to buy so many different devices. I've been able to like really harness this passion of mine for all these electronics and devices, and I look forward to making a lot more content with this. I never would have bought this if I didn't have the channel. I probably would have stuck with a base MacBook, probably even without Retina, the touch bar. It's just, I really appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so much. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content on the MacBook Pro. Definitely I have a few ideas to kind of showcase how big of a jump this is for me. But right now, I'm just going to enjoy it, stay in the moment. So subscribe to the channel for more content if you haven't already. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.